Let's be honest. Most people tell you that building wealth takes decades. They tell you to save your coffee money, put it in an index fund, and wait until you're 65 to enjoy your life. But you're watching this because you don't have 40 years. You're feeling the pressure now. Maybe you're tired of looking at your bank account and feeling that pit in your stomach. Maybe you're tired of saying no to things you actually want. I'm going to tell you something unpopular. You can radically change your financial life in 12 months. But, and this is a big but, you cannot do it by being the same person you are today. If you want a life only 1% of people have, you have to do what only 1% of people are willing to do. This isn't about luck. It's about a brutal, calculated execution of a plan. Today, we're breaking down the next 365 days of your life. Before you can build a skyscraper, you have to clear the rubble. Most people stay poor because they don't actually know where their money goes. They have financial leaks. Step 1. The brutal audit. For the next 30 days, I want you to track every single cent. Every bill, every snack, every subscription. You need to see the bleeding on paper. Step 2. Kill the bad debt. If you have high-interest credit card debt, that is a financial emergency. You aren't investing yet. You are drowning. In month 1, we stop the bleeding. We cut every unnecessary expense. Not forever, but for now. Step 3. The survival fund. You need a small buffer. Not 6 months of savings. That takes too long. Just $1,000 to $2,000. Why? So the next time your car breaks down, you don't have to use a credit card and reset your progress. Here is the truth. You don't have a saving problem. You have an income problem. You cannot save your way to wealth on a minimum wage or a stagnant salary. To get rich in a year, you need to increase your value to the market. The market doesn't pay you for your time. It pays you for the value you bring to that time. During months 2 to 4, your job is to become a high-value individual. You need a skill that people pay a premium for. We're talking about 1 high-ticket sales, 2 digital marketing or content systems, 3 coding or AI implementation, 4 specialized trade skills. Stop watching Netflix. Stop scrolling. Your leisure time is now your learning time. You need to spend 3 to 4 hours every single night mastering a skill that can earn you $50 to $100 an hour instead of $15. Now you have a skill. Now we monetize. This is where most people fail because they are afraid of rejection. In months 5 through 8, you are going to aggressively outwork everyone. If you're freelancing, you send 50 pitches a day. If you're starting a side business, you talk to 100 customers. You are looking for your first proof of concept. The rule of reinvestment. This is the human part of the script. Listen closely. When you start making that extra $1,000 or $2,000 a month, do not buy a new phone. Do not buy new clothes. Take that money and pour it back into your tools, your education, or your marketing. This is the boring middle, but it's where the wealth is actually built. You are living like you're still poor so that one day you won't have to pretend to be rich. By month 9, you should have a steady stream of active income that is higher than your expenses. Now we make your money work for you. Wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and how that money grows. 1. Automate your savings. Set up your account so that a percentage of every dollar earned goes directly into an investment account. 2. Understand assets versus liabilities. An asset puts money in your pocket. Stocks, real estate, a business. A liability takes money out. A flashy car, designer bags. In this phase, you are building a money machine. You're looking into index funds, perhaps starting a small rental portfolio, or scaling your business by hiring someone else to do the grunt work. You are moving from worker to owner. You've reached month 12. If you followed this, if you truly sacrificed your comfort for 365 days, your life looks unrecognizable. But here is the most important lesson. Wealth is a mindset, not just a number. If you get $1 million with a poor mindset, you will lose it in a year. If you have a wealthy mindset and lose everything, you'll be back on top in a year. The 12-month transformation isn't about the money in your bank account. It's about the person you became to get that money. You became disciplined. You became a learner. You became someone who provides value. Don't stop here. The first year is just the foundation. You've proven to yourself that you aren't a victim of your circumstances. You are the architect of them. Conclusion. Go back to month 1. Write down your why. And then get to work. I'll see you at the top.